Now let's look a bit more deeper about page columns. I go to Layout tab. By default, we have one column. If I type a random text, maybe 10 and 5, and adjusting, Control Command J after selecting. By selecting a part or being inside of the page, I could go to Layout tab, Columns, one column, two columns, three columns, or left or right. The left side is thinner, or the opposite one on the right. And I could click go to more columns. We have again set of presets, number of columns you could do manually. And we have a line between, which I mentioned before. It will add lines between the columns. There is no line here because there is no additional content for the next column. If, as an example, I copy the text and add more, you see, now it's gonna apply there because it is getting far. Okay, I go there again, and you could manually adjust for each column here. Scroll down to see column 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have a preview. And if I set equal columns width, all columns will gonna get same spacing and width. And apply to again, whole document this point forward, or again, you could define a new section break and apply there. For instance, I click here, break, and let's say next page. Now, if I click there and go to the columns option, now we have applying to this section. So it is general, something you could apply for margin, orientation, page size, or column. But note that, allow me to undo and delete the contents. All right. When I add columns, we have the preview on rulers. If you don't see ruler, go to View tab and enable the ruler. My page now, it has several columns. I prefer to make it 3 to be simple. And sometimes by default, it has to be get fill here and then go to next column. What do I mean? Equal rand. Okay, you see it's getting filling until go to the next. If I copy here as an example, paste, paste, paste. Let me make it adjusted. Okay. Paste, it will filling and then going to the next column. Sometimes you want to jump directly to the next column. As you remember, when we was creating a page break, it was jumping to the next page. We have similar thing for the columns. If I just set as example here, go to the layout and break, not only we have page break, we have also column break. By clicking on that, directly jumping to the next column. The shortcut is very simple and easy. Equal rand, okay. Hold on the Shift Control or Shift Command on the Mac and press Enter or Return key. There it is, Shift Control or Shift Command and Enter. It's jumping directly to the next column. I delete that. And let's say I want to have one column in one page after this. It is possible to do multiple columns layout on a same page. How we could do that? I click there, make sure you're in the layout tab, columns and more column. Now I want to say 1, applying to whole document, no, this point forward. Okay, you see? Now it's starting to make one column. Let's say this point forward, I want to have 3 or 4 columns. How can I do? Very easy. Column, more columns. Let's say 4 and equal, it is fine. This section, okay. Actually, not this section, this point forward. I could click here or there. This is based on your paragraphs. So column, more columns, again 4, and here this section is applying from here, but I could say this point forward. Okay, now I could copy the text, just sample text, copy and paste it. There it is. Still, you could adjust it. For instance, I regret from 3 columns there, I want to have 2 columns. Just click inside of this section, columns, more columns, set to, this section of course, and OK. And I could add more space by pressing enter or return key. Or what can I do? I could add spacing based on your paragraph. Go to Home tab and paragraph and add spacing before, after, or by line spacing options. Let's say before and after much more to be obvious. Okay. Actually, it didn't apply because I didn't select it. Or I could modify the style, modify, and yeah, let's add more spacing. Okay. And there it is. If I press enter or return key, this line gonna continue because it's counting as this columns. I could click here after this 2 columns and press enter or return. Now this is not counting of my twin columns.